Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming whether you're on Android or iPhone because the steps differ. Once done, back up emails you need, since removal may delete local copies. Make sure your phone has over 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection, and note the Gmail address you will remove. Now open Settings. On Android, tap Accounts. On iPhone, tap Passwords and Accounts. This puts you at the account list, ready to select Gmail, and take the first actionable removal step. Select the Gmail account shown in the account list, then tap Remove Account or Delete Account and confirm the prompt to start actual removal. This disconnects mail, contacts, and calendar sync. On Android, if you want a cleaner reset, go to Settings, Apps, choose Gmail, then Storage and Clear Data. This removes cached data. On iPhone, deleting the account from Passwords and Accounts is enough, once removed. You can also delete the Gmail app from the home screen to fully eliminate app access. Finish by restarting your phone so system services refresh and the account is fully detached. Once restarted, verify the account no longer appears in settings and that mail, contacts, and calendar entries are gone. If you need access later, sign in with another account or reinstall the Gmail app and enable sync. If removal fails, make sure Gmail is not a device admin or supervised account, and if necessary, remove the account from your Google account on web. Google.com first, then retry on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.